How to import a storyline file to another storyline. Step 1. Open Articulate Storyline 360 and launch the source file. Step 2. Navigate to the ribbon at the top of the screen. You can either click on File and then select Import. From the drop-down, choose Storyline. Alternatively, click Slides in the top ribbon, then select Import Storyline from the Slides menu. Step 3. This will open the Import Storyline dialog box. In the dialog box, browse for the Storyline 360 project you want to import and select it, then click Open. Step 4. Once you select your source project, you'll have the option to choose what to import. You can choose individual slides or entire scenes. To keep them in the same scene, select Current Scene or Same as Imported Project. To create a new scene, choose New Scene to import the selected slides into a fresh scene. Step 5. Once you've made your selections, click the Import button. The slides and content from the source project will be added to your destination project. Step 6. Now you can rearrange the imported slides wherever you need them in your storyline file. Thank you for watching the video.